Greetings! In today's video, we have yet another transformer oil regeneration machine, the СММ-6RL Lite. Those of you who have been following our videos are already familiar with the regeneration technology from the СММ-6R video. That video featured a СММ-6R machine in premium design. Today's plant is a budget version of the same machine. Let's first talk about the area of application for this plant. The original idea was to regenerate transformer oil by adsorption with fuller's earth. The actual machine has 6 regeneration columns with 75 kilograms of fuller's earth in each column. The machine is also capable of reactivating saturated sorbent. This process occurs at around 600 degrees centigrade by burning. The sorbent is reactivated directly in the columns. Therefore, the machine is a complete oil regeneration solution with semi-automatic controls. In this case, the operator selects the mode of operation by manually switching the corresponding valves and engaging the plant's components. The necessary skills are easy to master after only a couple of hours of in-depth study of the machine. Besides, the critical operation parameters are still controlled by automatic systems. This machine will be very handy for anyone involved in transformer servicing. The compact dimensions of the СММ-6RL Lite make it very easy to transport on and around the site. Let me also point out that in principle, the machine is capable of processing not only transformer oil, but other oil products as well. Maybe the machine will serve to keep your oil at its highest quality. Maybe it can become the central piece of equipment for a used oil recycling startup. If you have an idea, we can help make it real. Visit our website at www.globecore.com. See you there.